Hi, this is Sean Overton with OneStepRemove.com. In this video, we discuss the strategy double sevens, which is a strategy discussed in the book Short-Term Trading Strategies That Work by Larry Connors and Cesar Alvarez. What I've done is I've converted this strategy into a free expert advisor for MetaTrader. If you'd like to download this strategy, you can find it on our forum, which is support.onestepremove.com, or if you want to visit the main site, it also links into it. It's www.onestepremove.com. The name of the thread is Double Sevens Free Expert Advisor. The purpose of this video is to give you a more visual explanation of how this works. To do so, I'm running the Expert Advisor in the back tester with the moving average on the chart so you can visualize what's happening. Basically, if it's on this side of the moving average, we're going to buy, and if it's on this side of the moving average, we're going to sell. We're going to speed up the back tester here to get the first sell, and you'll see that here that it entered a trade and exited it pretty quickly. The reason it entered was that the highest closing price in the past 7 bars occurred on the last bar here. Because that happened, we assume that that's a pullback. Once that's happened, we enter short and we exited here. This price represents the lowest low in the past 7 bars. The assumption is that when that occurs, that the price has likely extended itself, and it's better to sit out and wait rather than risking having the price move back against you. In this instance, the price actually runs well for us, but it doesn't always work out that way. Again, here we get another quick trade where the lowest low, or the highest high in the past 7 bars is here, and it exits pretty quickly. Once the price is beyond this big bar, it's the lowest low in 7 bars, so it exits. We'll let this run pretty quick, and you'll see another long trade pop up here after these two. And now we're going to start going long, and you can see how well this can work in a trending market. Actually, I think I got the time wrong. It's got a couple more short trades before it's going to cross the moving average. I'll let this run for another minute just so you can watch it and not have to worry about loading the data in the back tester. You can see that this is actually a pretty high accuracy system. The winners tend to be about 60 to 60% of the time. The losers do outweigh the winners, though. This strategy is not designed to have a stop loss, a trailing stop, or a take profit. It's supposed to be strictly conditional based on the price. However, to make the expert advisor a little more friendly for what a lot of people like to do, I've included a stop loss, a take profit, trailing. I think I turned off the trailing stop, but you can also set the time of day that you want to trade. So if you plan to run this on shorter time frame charts, you can do so. The most common time frames I see people run is from 0800 to about 1500. That way you get the most liquid European hours. Here you can see some long trades entering, and we'll go ahead and pause the back tester here so you can see it. Here the lowest closing, let's take a look at this. Okay, here you get the lowest barely, but here you get the lowest closing low in the past 7 bars, so it's entering long. You get that big bar, so it exits short. This should be a good overview of the strategy, but if you do have any questions, my name is Sean Overton, and you can find me at onestepremoved.com. Thank you for listening.